Hello people, I'm not putting a voice on at all. I'm just in bed. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I think. I've got cake. I've got my teddy. I've got water. My throat really hurts. I've got a blocked nose. Blocked ears as well. And my throat. And I sound like a 3-year-old. So. Yeah. So, help. I don't exactly know what to do. Oh jeez. But yeah, I can't be bothered like making another video. So, yeah. Sorry about my weird voice. Voice? I said voice. And before when I tried to say yeah, I said yeah. Like, okay. Well. I mean, well. So, like, subscribe, and comment anything if you want, and help my life.